We're going to be talking about 10.3. It's arcs and chords. Some of this might be review, some might be brand new, but nonetheless, we're going to take you through it all. All right. So first of all, here's a theorem for you. In the same circle or congruent circles, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if their corresponding chords are congruent. So for example, when I'm looking at this picture, if FG and JH are congruent, then their arcs are also congruent. All right, so showing that relationship between the chords and the arcs. All right, so if I look at this and I say that these two circles are congruent, we want to find the measurement of arc FX. Okay, whoops. Actually, we can't find it's not arc. I need to fix this. It should be a straight line. There we go. And so what we can do then is say that 5x plus 6 is the same as 7x minus 2 because their arc lengths are congruent. The circles are congruent. So 2x equals 8, x equals 4. So 7 times 4 minus 2, wx is 26. Wx is 26. All right, here we go. If the diameter or radius of a circle is perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects the chord and its arc. Okay, so if a radius or the diameter is perpendicular to a chord, it is going to bisect both the chord and the angle. All right, and then this second one says that the perpendicular bisector of a chord is the diameter of the circle. So kind of flipping it both ways. All right, so that relationship, understanding the relationship between the diameter and a chord if they're perpendicular. So for example, if the measurement of angle DEF, so DEF is 150 degrees, we need to find DE. Here we see that we've got a radius. We see that it's perpendicular. So we can say then that the measurement of arc DE is going to be half that amount, so 75 degrees. All right, here we go. We have a ceramic stepping stone. Diameter is AB, and that's 18 inches long. And the chord EF, whoops, again, we didn't want that on top of it, is 8 inches long. Find CD. Ooh, I like this. Okay, here we go. So what do we know? We know that AB is 18. I got to find a color that's going to work better. Is 18. And we know that EF is 8. Okay. So we want to find CD. This is what we want to find right here. Okay. Well, here we go. This is so fun. Here we go. So I'm going to draw this out. So CD. All right. What I do know is that, I know that this is 8. Nope, that's 4. Oops, there we go. I know that C to B is 9. Okay. So now what I need to figure out is what is CD? What would CD be? Is 9. This is X. This is 90. Some way we could do this. Here we go. Look at this. I can draw this line. Look at that. What does that represent? It represents the radius. That means this is 9. You seen that connection? Did you catch it before I said it? Right? So we're going to use a right triangle. So again, we're going to be looking at, oh, that's not the good color. Let's get pink in here. It might help. Right here. Right triangle. we know that the radius is 9 because the diameter is 10. This 9 represents the radius. So now we can use Pythagorean's theorem to figure out CD. So 81 is equal to 16 plus b squared. So 81 minus 16 is going to be 60. 11 minus 6 is 65 equals b squared. So we'll take the square root of 65. Oops. I think I need to get a new calculator here. So B or CD, we can list it as 2. CD is approximately 8.06. Cool stuff. Using that other bit of information. All right, here we go. In the same circle or congruent circles, 2 chords are congruent if and only if they're equidistant from the center. So what we're saying is if XL and LY are congruent, meaning equidistant, then FG can be congruent to JH. All right. So again, these relationships are what you want to be practicing. This is what you put in your note card. This is what you quiz yourself on. This is what you have somebody else quiz you on. This is important. So when I look at this in circle P, it tells me that both EF and GH are the same. If they're the same, they're equidistant from the center. So 4x minus 3 is 2x plus 3. So I'll subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x minus 3 equals 3, 2x equals 6, x equals 3. Now it wants me to find PQ. So I'm going to take 4 times 3 minus 3, 9 units. There we go. All right, time for you to get working on your assignment, and we'll catch you soon. Take care. Bye.